My name is Andrea Cervantes and I am a marketing student here at HACC. I chose HACC because of the high quality education I need to begin my career right after graduating. It is a HACC priority to stay up to date with the most advanced programs in technology. However, with budget cuts and the rising cost of technology, it is hard to keep up with expenses. Even though some costs are high, HACC is committed to providing exceptional education programs to me and my fellow students. That is why they developed the Funds for Excellence as part of the Invest, Impact, Inspire campaign for HACC. The Funds for Excellence are specifically designed to financially support innovative initiatives that offer students like me the most cutting-edge technology and programs to prepare us for careers in our field. Here's how it works. If HACC employees feel they need additional funding to provide us with a new program that will elevate our educational experiences, they can apply for funding through the Funds for Excellence. If the funding is available, a committee reviews the application and, if approved, the employees will receive the funding. It's as easy as that. An education with innovative programs and technology makes a huge difference and allows me to be competitive in the workforce right away. Please support students like me by reviewing the various Funds for Excellence and making a gift to one or a few of them. From programs like culinary arts and healthcare to virtual learning and fire police training, our various funds are as beautifully diverse as our student population. I am confident that you will find something worthy of your support. Thank you for supporting me and my fellow students.